The transformation was so complete, the once male animal eventually gave birth to its own offspring. It was as if the same book was read with a new interpretation telling a different story. This isn't just nature versus nurture, it's about the chemical world around us. The fact that a mammal's sex could be reversed by an environmental compound opens a Pandora's box of questions, where scientists were studying ordinary male lab mice. But soon, the male mice exposed to the chemical began to change in ways no one expected. Their male organs and the females gave birth to healthy pups and wheat. Both livestock and humans can be exposed through contaminated food. This is endocrine disruption, chemicals interfering with the body's hormone system. Endocrine disruptors can mimic, block, or alter hormone signals, with life-altering consequences. In many animals, changing sex is normal. Sequential hermaphroditism is common in fish like clownfish. Social and physical context can drive sexual identity in these species. The beryllinone is a common food contaminant, raising concerns for wildlife and ecosystems.